we're going to be doing a catch basin replacement repair. Keep watching the video. Welcome back, it's Jeff Lepard from DoItAllCeiling.com, and on this channel you do concrete repair, line painting, general contracting, and so much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. We're ready to start our replacement of the catch basin. So we're in a high traffic area, there's a lot of traffic. I don't want to completely block off the roadway yet, it's not necessary. First I want to get this catch basin lid and frame out. So what I'm going to do is, before I do all the excavation, I just want to excavate the lid and frame out first, and then I'll resume excavating the rest of the asphalt. So first I'm just going to mark where I'm going to do my saw cuts. I'm going to be doing 2 sets of saw cuts. One will be 1 foot around the catch basin lid and frame so that I'm gaining access to excavate it, and then I'll do a 10 by 10 cut to repair the asphalt. So I'm just going to use my marking paint, and I'm just going to mark where I'm going to cut my saw cuts. Just about a foot out. Now I finished the saw cuts around the perimeter of the catch basin. I'm going to use the pickaxe to gain access and break the asphalt, remove the asphalt. That will give us access to the catch basin lid and frame for us to remove it. So we finished excavating the asphalt surrounding the catch basin lid and frame. I've got the leftovers of the asphalt in the bucket of the Bobcat. I'm just going to dump that. Then I'm going to take the bucket and I'm going to remove the catch basin lid and frame, since that's going to be disposed of. We're now ready to replace the catch basin lid and frame with a new catch basin lid and frame. So I'm going to use the Bobcat just to get it seated, and then I'll adjust it where I need it. Place the catch basin lid and frame now in its position. So now I'm going to saw cut the outer perimeter where we're going to be replacing the asphalt. I'm just going to put my mask on, I've got my safety glasses, and I've got my earplugs on. So now we're ready to excavate the asphalt surrounding the perimeter of the catch basin before we begin repairing the asphalt and paving it. So we've applied the first coat, the first layer of HL8 base coat asphalt, and I've sprayed tack coat around the sides for better bondage. Now we're filming the second half, which is the top coat. That's the HL3 we're going to be putting on right now. So I'm going to jump in the Bobcat loader and I'm going to start applying the HL3 asphalt. To start off, I'm just going to rake this pile down to the rough level before I lute it. Now I've got one layer of asphalt on the one side already applied, so I'm just going to use the lute. I've already rough raked it. I'm going to use the lute and just get it to its final level on this side, and then do the same on the other side. Now I'm just going to use this shovel, or you can use your lute or rake, just to do the final edging, just to clean up the edges on the asphalt lip. So we just finished installing the asphalt. We already raked it and we already luted it. So I'm just going to use the hand tamper just to go around the lip of the catch basin, just so that the plate tamper doesn't muck it up before we start compacting. Before I use the plate compactor, I'm going to use my asphalt shoes, the wooden shoes. I'm just going to walk around stomping the asphalt, then I'm going to use the plate compactor. Now we're ready to begin the plate compactor. I'm going to start it up, turn the water on, and we're going to start applying that now. First round of compaction is done, so now I'm going to use the plate compactor to pinch the sides. And I'm just going to be pulling it, pushing and pulling it all around the outer edge, just to pinch the outer edge, the sides. That's it. We finished compacting the asphalt. The job's now complete, and traffic will resume in a short while once the asphalt has cooled down. Just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell, turn notifications on for all upcoming videos, give me a thumbs up and like the video, share the video, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you next time. DoItAllCeiling.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.